Today we're showing you a 2013 Cat 289D track loader. The unit has just under 5,000 hours. The unit runs and works as it should. There are no known issues with the machine. This is one of our budget-friendly machines, so it is selling as is, where is. If you'd like to come in, check the machine out for yourself, certainly feel free to do so. But again, there are no known issues with the machine. Bucket's in nice shape. It does have the power release there on your quick connect on your bucket. Got the front hydraulic hookups up front here. So the tracks do show some wear. I don't know exactly how to run the percentage on these tracks, but I would say they have probably about 25% life remaining. We don't sell a lot of track loaders, so not as familiar with these units as with some other pieces of equipment, but you can see there's definitely some wear on the tracks. Sprockets look pretty decent. Obviously it is a cab machine with heat and air conditioning. Got the serial number right here. Believe it to be a 2013. Guess I'm not 100% certain on that. It could be a 14, I guess, but I think 13 or 14 was the first year they built them. And again, tracks on this side. If you're in the better light. Show you the inside of the cab. Inside the cab is pretty nice yet. Does have an air ride seat. It's not all tore up in here. Pilot controls there. We can arrange shipping here within the US. If you have questions on the machine, certainly feel free to ask. Again, we don't sell quite as many of these track loaders as we do tractors. But we certainly will be happy to help with anything we can. If you have any questions on the machine, please contact us at massedtractor.com.